Imagine yourself in this 2008 Ford F-250. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help keep you safe on the road. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power steering, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.